Okay, they turn off if the car doesn't start.
Do we have any fuel in the tank?
What's that?
Is there fuel in the tank?
Yes, it is. Probably about 6 gallons. So,
If you call it fuel.
yeah,
Whatever. Something that
Very
blows up.
varnishy looking.
it's icky looking stuff. Okay, so,
No fuel pump.
Oh, no fuel pump.
no fuel pump.
Now we gotta start diagnosing.
Figure out what's going on here.
Maybe when it did that weird thing, it like blew a fuse or something.
It is possible it blew a fuse, absolutely.
You can check that, you can check. power
Inertia
going
switch?
into here to see if you've got power when you turn the key
The only
on.
thing the neutral safety switch
we
will
had power
control
a second ago.
is the
When we
crank
hit it.
circuit.
We have power.
The inertia
starter.
switch.
When we
The
hit power.
big red button.
Big red button. Okay, you can. I still don't hear you.
Does it have a clutch switch?
She's still not turning on.
No fuel pump.
I don't know, let's find out.